how's it going? I hope you can see the different kind of background to normal. We are in the house, woohoo, finally. So we moved in just the other day, and so yeah, this is us actually in the house finally. We've still not got the Wi-Fi, but yeah, we decided to move in so that we're not paying for the hostel and the house at the same time, because that seemed a little bit pointless. We said in the other video as well about me having an interview for a job, and I'm super happy to say that I got the job as well, so that's really cool. That absolutely confirms us being here for the season and being sorted out. Absolutely can't wait to start. So yeah, if you are in the Queenstown area, then come up to the mountain and say hello. I will hopefully be up there loads and loads this winter, riding and working and all that stuff. But yeah, so just wanted to update you before we get on with the rest of the video. So let's go on with the rest of the video. Today we are going to go on a little walk up one of the hills in Queenstown. I've been wanting to do this since we arrived here, so good to be finally doing it. It's a little bit chilly today, it's absolutely freezing. Got my chin tucked into my coat and everything, and we are wrapped up to the rafters, but yeah, should be a good walk. So somewhere up that hill, that's where we're going. A bit sunny today, it's beautiful. That's cool, looks like an old mill or something. Bit run down now, like. Not gonna lie, this track is pretty steep, but with steepness comes fast, awesome views. Not bad at all.
Doesn't make you want to go down there anymore. So eerie. We stopped walking for like 5 minutes and now it's absolutely freezing. I need to get my walking on again to get hot. So this is nice to see on a track. You don't usually get this, but it's a water refill station, so yeah, that's really good. It's beautiful here. What's that, Dom?
So all through this walk we've been walking up next to a downhill mountain bike track, and so this is like a big clearing, like I think about halfway down the hill, and so this is a load of bike tools to repair your bike if anything goes wrong.
So cool.
This country. Camera's not really showing it, but it's super dark right now. The forest is so thick. Look at all those trees. Nearly at the top now, I think. We made it, hallelujah. There's snow up here. What? Holy smokes.
Look at this view though. So this is the mountain that Dom's going to be working at, Coronet Peak. And then over here this is the Remarkables. Queenstown's so pretty.
Alright, so that's it, that's everything. So that's kind of all there was to do up there. We'll probably go back up again maybe later in the season, or sorry, later in the year when it turns towards spring or whatever, because you saw in the videos it's snow up there. There's a walk you can do further up the hill to go onto like the top of the mountain, like the top of the mountain. So yeah, I want to do that at some point, but for now that's all we're going to do today, because it's getting dark anyway. We don't want to get caught in these scary dark woods after it gets dark. So yeah, heading back to the house now. So yeah, we'll catch you in a bit. So we're back at the house now, and we're in for a treat, or I'm in for a treat tonight, because Kay's gonna make us a chocolate cake. So yeah, she's just on with that now. But look at this view of the sunset. But yeah, cake time.
So this is one of my favourite chocolate cake recipes. I can leave a link to it below. But it's so good, it's so delicious. It's super unhealthy, but that's what chocolate cake is supposed to be.
What happened then? Oh, I'm getting everywhere. Oh my lord, the view's got even better. Look at that for a sunset. That looks good. Going in. Is it ready already?
Yay!
We're in for a treat tonight. What's for TK?
We're having Sunday dinner.
Oh, a Sunday dinner. Very nice. And what's in here?
We've got some chopped carrots, chopped potatoes, and we're putting some garlic in. So we're going to roast all of these, and then eventually we'll put broccoli in, and we'll have roasted veg and some of these sausages with some gravy. So yeah, it's going to be delicious. And also for pudding, we've got our cake.
How is the cake getting on? Oh, I fell over. It's looking cakeish.
It's coming together nicely. We need to invest in a peeler, it would seem.
Yeah.
Cake's rising nicely. Oh, look at that. Hello. Yum. It smells so good. I wish we could have smell-o-vision. And we went on a bit of an adventure, and thankfully we managed to, we walked quite far away from the house to be fair, but we're finally back at ground level, and this is where the lake is, and it's just so stunning. Look at that. So thankful to be here. It's such a beautiful place to be. Wow, the sky is developing now. You can see like the blue. Look at that. Wow. Can you spot Dom? It's looking nice and cozy in here now. Ooh, a little house.
And dinner is served. Absolute gem of the night. Look at that chocolate cake. Kay says to tell you that it's not burnt, it's just really dark chocolate. This is gonna be delicious! Delicious! So that's us all finished eating and washed up. And that's everything for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, chuck us a great big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we will see you in the next one. Catch you later, guys.
Bye.